Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly I have to open settings, then go to the sound section, Do Not Disturb. You can switch it here. You can also add exceptions for this mode, like calls from all contacts, specific contacts from anyone or for nobody. The same goes for messages. You can also add exceptions for all other notifications here. Here you can select if you want to restrict visual notifications. Here you can set default duration for the Do Not Disturb mode, and you can also set a schedule for it. And you can also switch the Do Not Disturb mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.